How to buy AIXTerminal token. Now this token came under the symbol of AIXT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the AIX account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. So this token address is under the business network. Now open your OURBIT wallet for that, for example. Now select the business network from here, as you can see here. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So this is our token, as you can see here. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet. Keep scroll down until you find your token that you just added. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here, not from the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. Here you will be, as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive for this token. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token with any in your wallet. So this is how to buy AIXT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.